South Florida. From the Palm Beaches to Boca Raton and the Treasure Coast, this is WPBF 25 News at 11.
And a local man who used the Stand Your Ground defense in a case involving a sex ad and a shooting was found guilty tonight.
It all started when Daniel Diodato posted an ad online for anybody who wanted to have sex with his wife. Terry Parker was in the courtroom when the verdict was announced.
Guilty of battery, a lesser included offense.
Daniel Diodato raises his eyebrows in surprise and then high-fives his attorney as he realizes he's just escaped a possible life sentence, charged with aggravated battery and aggravated assault for aiming his shotgun at one man and shooting another, both of whom came to his house for sex with his wife. The jury returns lesser charges on each count. They did find Diodato guilty of pocketing the proceeds of prostitution. Prosecutors say it seems to be a compromise.
They didn't walk him all together. They didn't find him not guilty. They found him guilty of selling his wife, so we know that for sure.
But that's only a third-degree felony. Diodato clutched his heart when he realized both of the more serious charges were downgraded.
Obviously, my client is very excited that he beat the aggravated battery charge and the aggravated assault charge. Those were the two charges involving the firearm, which would put him in prison for a long period of time.
Diodato was charged with shooting Kyle Hicks. When Hicks responded to a Craigslist ad, Diodato posted offering his wife Sarah's companionship services. Diodato claimed Hicks attacked his wife, so he had no choice but to shoot him with a shotgun. His attorney claimed it was a version of the Stand Your Ground defense, but prosecutors say the jury didn't buy it.
Well, I think it's clear they didn't find him self-defense, or they would have found him not guilty altogether.
Now Diodato is going back to jail to await his sentencing. He faces a minimum mandatory of 7 years, but his father is grateful.
It goes from a second chance at life to no chance. So I'm very grateful to Lance, that defended him, and to God, that gave him the second chance at life.
In Stewart, Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.